we go. Whatever. I'll leave it there.
Oh, shit.
Debbie Downer.
Okay, I know what you want to hear. No!
Oh, Pedro Sanchez, what do you think?
Relax. So I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a bin over there for the squirrel, and then a thing over there for the bird. But I put it all in the middle because all of them meet each other. Okay. And yeah, bird can be finally like I got some actually wild bird food.
Hello?
Yeah. Chilling in the yard.
Oh, shit.
No one there? There's actually no one in the building. Oh, there you go. What's up, little dude? Oh, my guy over there. What the hell is he doing in there? Look at that guy over there. Yeah, you get a lot better reception if you get out of the building, buddy.
I am out of the building, dumbass.
That's all I know, because I can see you now. A lot better reception if you're out.